NGK is a platform dedicated to building a distributed commercial blockchain. NGK combines a series of technologies such as peer-to-peer networks, Byzantine fault tolerance, smart contracts, and cross-chain interoperability protocols to enable users to use them quickly, efficiently, and safely. After 3 years of R&D work, the NGK main network will officially launch. We're excited about the project and that many people claim is the dark horse of the blockchain. A warm welcome to this interview. Our guest today is Daphne, Vice President of Technology of Spiritstone Technical Team. Daphne, hello. Thank you for accepting our interview. Can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Hello everyone, and Michael, thank you very much for the introduction. My name is Daphne and it's a real pleasure to be here. Before entering the Spiritstone team, I worked in product management and product marketing in a B2B software company. I didn't anticipate entering the technology field. However, due to the internet wave and growing trend, I finally set my sights on the technology industry. It was at a Bitcoin conference that I first met Stephen Littan. He was a guest speaker at the conference and is now my boss and the CEO of the Spiritstone team. At the conference, Stephen talked about some ideas, including the vision and a prototype of this project. After listening to his speech, I found it fascinating. Very soon after, I left my original field of work and I joined the NGK project team. Now, as a software company, the NGK system is undergoing fundamental changes in the entire value chain, from the way the underlying blockchain is constructed to how it is delivered to the market, and the subsequent construction of some services and dApps. Our engineering team will continue to develop new application tools and processes for the coding, open source the construction of our products, meet publicly verified standards, and may even create exciting investment opportunities. I therefore think it's essential to establish a lasting relationship in the community. While many companies know how to build a product, for NGK it's about fully meeting the needs of the market and building user loyalty. And I'm responsible for the formulation of our technology strategy and its continuous improvement to meet our users' needs.
Since you're responsible for the formulation of the technology strategy in NGK, you must be familiar with the project. Can you please give us a brief introduction to NGK?
Certainly. In my opinion, NGK is an underlying commercial platform that can provide a new generation of high-performance essential blockchain. The underlying technology is released open source, and the innovative consensus mechanism is adopted to achieve an utterly decentralized governance structure. NGK builds a new blockchain token economy system in the form of a commercial chain with technology as the core. It's community-assisted and user-orientated to create a distinctive blockchain industry chain.
Just now you mentioned that NGK wants to build a unique blockchain industry chain. Compared with the unique ecology, does the NGK blockchain have any unique advantages?
Yes. In terms of technology, compared to general blockchain projects, NGK uses an innovative consensus algorithm to increase transaction speed. At the same time, NGK has a cross-chain interaction and independent virtual machine architecture, which makes NGK blockchain much more compatible. NGK also supports multiple programming languages at the same time, which makes it very user-friendly for developers. In the long run, NGK has great advantages in terms of talent gathering, technology, team size, and market demand, which guarantees NGK's long-term competitiveness in the market.
Let's return to the topic just now. You just said that NGK wants to build a distinctive industrial chain. Can you talk about it specifically?
Yes, of course. We all know that in the era of blockchain, any flow of value can be tokenized. The token economy can only become more valuable and can continue to develop if it has more interaction with the physical world. NGK is a token economic chain based on the blockchain business and financial field. It uses the existing underlying technical framework as an interface to promote the transformation and upgrading of the real economy. It's committed to reshaping the financial system and building a global blockchain ecology. It's important to understand that blockchain technology can be closely integrated with real industries. It serves to reform the supply structure and promote the positive interaction between finance and the real economy. This is the actual value of the industrial blockchain.
As a low-level blockchain platform, what kind of values does NGK uphold?
Our core value is to ensure that every part of NGK has a practical application. Secondly, we hope that it can positively influence the lives of the public, as well as improve business and financial collaboration. Some projects now fall into the idea of using technology to build technology, which means that you create technology for the technological community. However, you don't serve the interests of the global community at all, and that's not what we want. We hope to propose solutions to improve people's quality of life, and we hope to build an ecosystem that is conducive to business.
That's great. As the underlying platform, the blockchain is meant to serve the public. Although, could you perhaps tell us a bit more about how NGK Blockchain is building in the community?
NGK will address two areas when it's focusing on the global community. The first is technology. The hope is that more techies will participate in the community part. Secondly, in each region, NGK will establish the promotion of industry culture in various communities. In turn, each community sponsor will give corresponding NGK tokens as rewards.
It seems that the ecological development is very good. Now for the last question. What do you think is the fundamental difference between blockchain thinking and internet thinking?
Excellent question. Okay, let's put it this way. The early emphasis of the internet was to give equal rights to exchange information. At this stage of the blockchain, it's to change the production relationship so that everyone who pays into this link can benefit. So token, which is a significant invention, has done it. You can say that the core difference between the internet and blockchain is the token. What blockchain changes is the efficiency of the entire economic flow or system. In the blockchain, as long as you do something, you receive feedback. The most intuitive feedback is the change in the token price, which is within your hands. Of course, this can also be seen from the ecosystem.
Okay, very exciting. Thank you for taking us into NGK to learn more about this project. Through NGK's values, we can also feel that this is a truly valuable project serving the public. We also look forward to NGK's development getting better and better. Thank you very much for accepting our interview today. It has been a pleasure.